Hi, this is Samyukta and here comes my assignment 3 that gives in assignment 2 we have done 3 tasks, that's creating a 2D list and another 2 tasks, and in this assignment 3 we are giving that codes to a function and we are executing this. So the task 1 is I have taken a function named varcd with the parameters of x and y, and x and y are the size of the input 3D matrix input 2D matrix. Like if x and y are greater than 5, it prints error in the console, and if not, like if it's less than 5, it gives 0 in that x and y positions. And x and y are the integer dynamic inputs we have taken over here, and at last we call the function and execute it. And coming to the task number 2, we have defined another function named varcd1 with the parameters of a and b. So a and b are the sizes of the 2D matrix. So it returns at that positions of I and j, it returns it prints or returns 1 if that I plus 1 mod j plus 1 is equals to 0, or else 0. Here we take that a and b as two integer dynamic inputs and calling the function varcd a of b. And the task 3 is printing that index of value 1 in the given list. So we have here I have defined a function named varcd2 and it has a parameter of list 1. So in that list we are iterating the list using for loop, and here I use length. It's an inbuilt keyword. It's an inbuilt keyword in the Python for lists to identify the length of the list. So for iterating we are using for loop. This if list of I, usually list starts from the index 0. So list 1 of I means it will gives 1. So if this 1 equals to 1, so it's true, that gives the index of I is 0. And then it iterates again to for loop and it checks again the second one, and if not, it again iterates. The process repeats until the list of the length is end. So we are giving the list input, it's an user input. We are giving the list user input and calling the function varcd2 list of 1, and it gives the output over there. And coming to the task 4, it is finding out the surface area of sphere. So for the surface area of sphere we need the radius, and the formula for finding surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. So pi means the value of pi is 3.14. So here I am defining a function named SAS r. R indicates the radius of the sphere, and the formula for surface of the sphere is 4 into pi r square. Pi means the value is 3.14. So 4 into 3.14 into r square, and then as it is a function, it returns the value of that x. So here I again given the integer dynamic input for this function for the radius, and printing and calling the function. It gives the value. I have taken the radius as 5, and the value and the answer of this surface area of the sphere is 314.